If you've ever wanted to showcase your images beautifully on your WordPress website without relying on plugins, this quick tutorial is for you. Today, we'll learn how to add an image gallery to your WordPress site. Fast, clean, and completely plugin free. Let's get started. First, head over to your WordPress dashboard and locate the Quick Links section. From there, click on Edit Site. This opens the editing interface where you can make live changes to your website in real time. Once inside, you'll see a list of your website options. Click on the site or page you'd like to edit. This takes you straight into the customization view where all updates happen directly on your page. Now, look toward the top left corner of the screen. You'll notice a plus icon plus. This icon is your key to adding new elements. Click it and a menu will appear with the various content blocks you can add to your page. In the search bar that appears, type image. This filters your content blocks to show image-related options. From the results, click on Gallery. This is the built-in WordPress gallery block, so there's no need for extra plugins. After selecting the gallery block, click Open Media Library. Here, you'll see all your previously uploaded images. Browse through your collection and select the images you want to include in your gallery. Once you've chosen your desired images, click Create a new gallery. You'll then see a preview of your selected images. You can rearrange their order or remove any you don't want to include. When you're happy with the arrangement, click Insert Gallery. Your gallery will now appear directly on the page. Simple, elegant, and ready to go. You can adjust the number of columns, image sizes, and captions right from the block settings panel to match your page layout perfectly. Finally, once everything looks the way you want, click Update to save your changes. That's it. You've just added a beautiful, functional image gallery to your WordPress website without using a single plugin. Enjoy your new gallery and let your visuals do the talking. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more WordPress tips.